Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section Online Class 2nd Year. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today is lecture number 11. We'll discuss the use of prepositions and correction in the use of nouns. Let's start. Dear students, correct use of prepositions, exercise number 2. Sentence number 1. My house is adjacent dash mosque. Adjacent with, adjacent to, adjacent from, adjacent of. What will be the suitable preposition here? That is adjacent to. साथ मिले हुए होना, मुत्तसिल होना. Sentence number 2. The food in the castle was not adequate dash them. Adequate alpha for, beta of, Charlie in, delta to. Adequate for, alpha option, adequate for, काफ़ी होना, मुनासिब होना. Sentence number 3. The pay was not adequate dash my qualifications. The options are alpha for, beta to, Charlie with, delta at. And the suitable preposition for adequate dash my qualifications is adequate to. The pay was not adequate to my qualifications. Sentence number 4. Pity is often akin dash love. The options are alpha of, akin of, beta akin with, Charlie akin at, delta akin to. And this is the option delta to, akin to. It means similar. Sentence number 5. These principles are alien dash Islam. Alien with, alien to, alien out, alien up. What will be the suitable preposition here? That is alien to. It may be disturbing or unknown. Sentence number 6. A leader should be alive dash the public opinion. Alive at, alive of, alive from, alive to. A leader should be alive to the public opinion. Bakhabar hona. Sentence number 7. I am not amazed dash his success. Amazed of, amazed at, amazed on, amazed in. The suitable preposition is Charlie, a beta option, at, amazed at. Number 8. She is ambitious dash a high position. Ambitious for, ambitious with, ambitious of, ambitious at. And the suitable preposition is ambitious for, desirous of, ख्वाहिशमंद होना. Number 9. She was sitting apart dash us. Apart with, apart on, apart from, apart of. The suitable preposition is Charlie option, apart from. Number 10. I am anxious dash your health. The options are alpha about, beta with, Charlie of, delta on. Anxious about, alpha option. I am anxious about your health. Errors in the use of nouns. Sentence number 29. I have many works to do. Works का plural नहीं होता. I have much work to do. Number 30. She gave me many abuses. She gave me much abuse are many words of abuse. गालियाँ देना. 31. Her spectacle is old. Its correct sentence is her spectacles are old. Glasses are old. एनके ऐनक को कहते हैं इंग्लिश में. ये it always takes s with this. Her spectacles are old and you will use plural verb or helping verb with spectacles. 32. Measles have broken out in the city. Measles, s is confusing here. Actually this is the complete name. This is a noun and it is the name of a disease. It is a singular noun. If it is a singular noun, it will definitely have singular verb or helping verb. Measles has broken out in the city. Sentence number 33. 10 miles are a long distance. It is always confusing. Students are confused because of this S. They write plural verb here. Actually 10 miles is a value of the distance. That's why it will take singular verb. 10 miles is a long distance. 34. There are no females in this office. Females cannot be used for women or ladies. There are no women in this office. Sentence number 35. I have two son-in-laws. This is mistake. I have two sons-in-law. It is a compound noun, and when you want to make the plural of a compound noun, you will add s to the main word in that noun. Sons-in-law is the correct. 36. Give me a blotting. Actually, it is give me a blotting paper. You can also use give me a piece of blotting paper. 37. This room has no furnitures. Furnitures is not a word. This room has no furniture. Furniture is a plural noun. 38. There are a lot of fishes in this river. Fishes cannot be used. There are a lot of fish in this river. When you use fish for general fish, you cannot use the plural of fish, but you can use fishes when you can count them. For example, I bought 2 fishes from the market. Then it is correct. Sentence number 39. She gave me many advices. Advice has no plural. She gave me many pieces of advice, or she gave me much advice. Sentence number 40. You have many works to do. You have many pieces of work to do, or much work to do. Sentence number 41. I have an urgent business at home. I have an urgent piece of business at home. Sentence number 42. We shall go to Murree during summer vacations. Vacations is not a word. Vacation is a plural noun. We shall go to Murree during the summer vacation. Vacations is a wrong word. 43. Many machineries were imported. Machineries can't be used. Actually, it is machinery. We can correct it in 2 ways. Many machines were imported, or much machinery was imported. Machines will take plural verb and machinery will take singular verb was. 44. The child did many mischiefs. Mischief has no plural. The child did many acts of mischief, or the child did much mischief. Sentence number 45. Vegetable is my favorite dish. Actually, it is vegetables. General. Vegetables is my favorite dish. All kinds of vegetables. That's why it here has been used vegetables. 46. The sceneries of Kashmir are worth seeing. The scenes of Kashmir are worth seeing. Our scenery of Kashmir is worth seeing. Sceneries cannot be used. 47. They bought many furnitures. They bought many articles of furniture. Furniture has no plural. If you want to make it a plural, you will have to use article. 48. The table's leg is broken. You cannot use apostrophe with table. The leg of table is broken. 49. She has no issues. Bacha, beta. She has no issue. 50. The United States have a large navy. Because it is S, certain students are confused by thinking that it is a plural noun. Actually, it is the name of a country, single country, one country. It will take singular verb. The United States has a large navy. 51. The United Nations have done nothing to help the people of Kashmir. United Nations has S with it. That's why certain students get confused. Actually, it is the name of an institution. We will use singular verb here. The United Nations has done nothing to help the poor, help the people of Kashmir. 52. The committee is divided in on this matter. When committee has one decision, it will be used as a singular noun. When committee has different opinions or different decisions, then committee will be used as a plural noun. As committee here has no unanimous decision, that's why committee has been used here as a plural noun. The committee are divided on this matter. There is not one committee here, there are more than one committees. That's why the committee are is used here. 53. There is no place in this bus. जगह के लिए प्लेस यूज़ नहीं होता. देर इज़ नो रूम इन दिस बस, कि इस बस में कोई जगह नहीं है. 44. द बुक्स प्राइस इज़ 5 rupees. एज here has been used apostrophe s with table. Apostrophe s cannot be used with non-living things. That's why this is also incorrect. The correct sentence is the price of this book is 5 rupees. Last but not the least, he was taken to the gallows. फांसी के फंदे को कहते हैं. It is always used as gallows. He was taken to the gallows. That's all of today's lecture, dear students. Grammar is always very important. It will help you in MDCAT or entrance examination. So I would advise you whenever there is grammar lecture, put your concentration a lot on the lecture so that you may understand the rules. Till some next lecture, take a very good care of yourself. Thank you very much.